the abandoned stock cars. But they're in Ontario, Canada. So, but they have a build for a California stock car. So, when we get abandoned garages and the car stops, and there's sign on the abandoned NASCAR garages. And look at this half abandoned stock car. So I will call this crane and will get repair his stock car. And tow truck comes. They're in abandoned NASCAR garages. So it was have a that will get pick up this stock car. So because it wasn't the tow truck. Now he going the backwards and enter his abandoned NASCAR garages. So it was enter his NASCAR garages and how will get out of here before not keeping there in abandoned garages. Now when leaving Darren have a garages. They're in NASCAR garages. They're in Ontario traffic. They're not stuck in traffic. Now they haven't need to get off this stuck in traffic. Now is Mitsubishi Evo 10. He escaped the stuck in traffic and launched the traffic. When we get there in Toronto, and he will get entered this NASCAR mechanics. And they're in garages. Now, taking those have stickers out of this kid's stickers. Now, lastly, he has taken the stock car stickers, and he will have to get this painted for these numbers. Now, it was finished this paint. Number there in the garages. Put the number on 68.
To be continued.